Greetings, it is MaxoDiddly here, and today I'm here with another Java tutorial to get that A in your coursework, and today we're here with ArrayList Part 3. So, I have created an array list called YouTubers, and it's 10 elements long. I have added 5 YouTubers to the list. These represent the 5 most subscribed YouTube channels as of the 31st of October 2018. So we have PewDiePie, T-Series, Canal Conzilla, Justin Bieber, and 5 Minute Crafts. So this list is probably going to change in the next few days or weeks, and I thought I'd use this opportunity to demonstrate to you how to do more ArrayList stuff while remaining relevant so I can get more views. I'm being honest with you guys, okay? So let's get right into it. Firstly, we want to print this array list just to show the user who has the most subscribers. So we're going to do system.out.println. Inside we'll do arrays.toString YouTubers.toArray. So make sure you import the Java util.arrays library. So what's actually going on here? So system.out.println, you should know what that is. If you don't, you shouldn't be on this video. We do arrays.toString, then the name of our array list, then .toArray. Basically, we're converting our array list to an array, and we're going to convert that array to a string so we can print it. See, as you can see, this is what it looks like when it's printed. The array list will be in square brackets to differentiate it from the rest of what you're printing out. So, let's say the day has finally come and T-Series overtakes PewDiePie. T-Series should be in the top spot and PewDiePie should be in the second spot. In terms of subscriber count, not in quality of videos. Bitch Lasagna just is better than all their music put together. I'm being honest with you guys. So, if we want to actually swap them, we could do a simple swap algorithm, or we could use a built-in method. We can do collections.swap YouTubers 0 and 1. So we'll need to fix the imports and import the collections library. A collection is a group of individual objects representing a single unit. So what's going on here? So we're referring to class collections. We're using the swap method. We put in the array list. And then we put in the 2 elements of the array list we want to swap. So we want to swap PewDiePie with T-Series. So basically put 0, then 1, because PewDiePie occupies number 0, and T-Series occupies number 1. In terms of array indexing. Array indexing always starts from 0, not from 1. Then we're just going to print out underneath it what that would look like. Now let's say we want to add MaxoDiddly to the top. Let's say everyone decides they want to subscribe to my channel, because they should. We can do YouTubers.add 0 MaxoDiddly. And what's happening here is we're basically going to push MaxoDiddly to the very top of the array list, which will push every other element down 1 slot. So every other element stays in the array list, they're just pushed down by 1, because I'm the most subscribed channel now. And we'll probably want to print out the array list so you can see that happening. Now, let's say we want to get the index of a particular element that could be in this array list. You can do that. You can do system.out.println YouTubers.index of, and we can do PewDiePie. And what this would do is print where in the array list PewDiePie is. And if, let's say, the value can't be found, well, it will return a -1. And we're going to put in Jordan Gamer 123. So this will return a -1 because Jordan Gamer 123 isn't in the top 5 most subscribed YouTube channels. Now, let's say we want to sort these YouTubers by alphabetical order. We can do that. We can do collections.sort YouTubers. And what this will do is basically sort them in alphabetical order. We'll probably want to print this out as well to show the change. We can also do collections.reverse YouTubers. This does the opposite to the sort, so everything is in reverse alphabetical order. We'll probably want to print out a message to show that. We can also do YouTubers.trim to size. What does this do? Basically, before I said I had 10 elements in this array list, not all of them get used. To save on memory, I can get rid of any element that isn't currently being used. And remember, since this is an array list, we can just add more elements when we need them. And now let's say YouTube decides to remove all of these top subscribed channels from YouTube. We can do YouTubers.clear. And what this does is basically erase everything in the array list. So let's play the application. So, as you can see, it firstly just prints the array list we start with. Then it swaps T-Series and PewDiePie around. Then it puts Maxo Diddley in the array list as the most subscribed channel, which it should be, by the way. So you should totally subscribe and get people to buy billboards and put my channel on them. You should totally do that, guys. So as you can see, Maxo Diddley is the most subscribed channel. All previous channels are in the array list. They're just moved down one slot. As you can see, it prints out a 2 because PewDiePie is in the second index or the third index, but that's labeled index 2 because obviously we start from 0. So this is successfully identified where PewDiePie is in the list. When we try Jordan Gamer, Jordan Gamer isn't in the top 6 most subscribed channels, so he's not there, so it returns a -1. Then obviously we sorted all channels in alphabetical order, as you can see here. We've done the opposite of alphabetical order, which we've done here. And we've cleared everything, so that's nothing there. Except the 2 brackets to symbolize we are printing an array list. Anyway, guys, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comments if you enjoyed. Leave in the comments if you want PewDiePie or T-Series to win, or if you want me to win and for me to be the most subscribed channel. I think that is the better option out of the 3. Be sure to leave a comment if you got a request, and thanks for being a great audience. I'll see you next time.